Hey guys, welcome to CRNT Designers. This is Chetan, and in this tutorial we are going to make a Christmas star. So without further ado, let's get started. To make a star, you need to add a circle. So Shift A, add a circle, and we will go with the 10 words. After that, you need to go to the top view and then go to the edit mode and go to the vertex mode. Then you need to select all the words and then go to the select and then checkered is select. Okay, now you need to scale down these words as like this, and we will get that star shape at there. Then you need to select everything and then press F to fill the gap. Okay, now you need to select these words and then right click connect vertex path. You need to define the center point of that star. So that's why you need to select the words like this and then you need to create the path in between the words. So you can see here is the center point of that star. Then you need to select that center point and then go to the orthographic view and then move that center point along the z-axis. Move that words along the z-axis like this. So we can add the 3D form to it. Okay, now it looks pretty well. It looks like a star, but we want to use the sub-D modifier here to get that smooth, decent look. So that's why you can add the sub-D modifier, and we are getting this kind of effect at there. We need to add the supportive loop cuts. So how we can do that? You need to add the loop cut like this. You will get this word at there. Similar kind of words you need to add for all the remaining 4. So add the loop cuts like this, and then you can add loop cut like this, and then double tap G for the edge slide and give the right position to it. So you can see. Now the next thing, you need to add one more loop cut as like this and then give the right position to it. So add the loop cuts for remain 4 and try to give the same factor for all the loop cuts. Now you need to add one more loop cut at here and then select that words and Ctrl X to dissolve it. Then you can select that loop cut and double tap G for the edge slide and take that loop cut at this point. You can see at there. Something like that you need to do. So add one loop cut here, select that word, Ctrl X, then select that loop cut and then double tap G for the edge slide. Repeat the same step for remain. Now it looks little bit good, but we want more decent look on it. So that's why we need to add more loop cuts. So just go to the edit mode and we can add the loop cut like this. Then you need to come here. Then you can select this edge loop, just Ctrl X to dissolve that edge loop. Same thing you need to repeat with the remaining part. You need to come here, then select this edge loop and then Ctrl X to dissolve that edge loop. You can see the loop structure at here, which looks decent. Then you can increase the sub-D count in the sub-D modifier. Then go to the orthographic view, select that object, Shift D to duplicate it and rotate it into the 180 degree. Then you can select both objects and then join them together. After that, you need to go to the edit mode, select all the words and press M and merge by distance. Double words will get merged. You can see here. And now you can see we are getting the decent looking Christmas star at there. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye, see you in the next video. Take care.